But hey, if they pay, then they're good. But you know what? Why do you have to get caught up to pay? Why can't you just do the right thing the first time?
Check this out. Check this out. Another driver's coming. Oh man, how can I do that? Look. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Look, there goes our buddy right there. So there's another driver coming, and pretty much we're telling him to go park and unhook.
What's going on, Mutha truckers? We have a situation that's happening right now out there in Sparks, Nevada at the Tesla factory. Truck drivers, they're bringing containers. I believe they're the Panasonic batteries, right, for the Teslas. And the situation is they've been sitting there, some for 24 hours, some for 34-hour reset, some going on to their third day. So here's the situation. You know, they're asking the shipper for, you know, layover. And basically the shipper told them that, yeah, they're paying the broker thousands of dollars. So when they found that out, they called the broker, and the broker said, you know, the most they could give them is potentially $150, maybe $200 a day. So now that they have that information, that they got paid thousands of dollars for layover for the truck driver, not for the broker to keep, the truck drivers are pissed. There's over 20 now and more coming in. So they're all unhooking and they're all waiting it out because they know if they get unloaded, they'll never get paid. Let's get into this. What's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man?
You know, Outlaw Trucking, man. 1026. Follow this man on TikTok, YouTube, and everything, man. Man, muthatruckernews, we let you know things as it's happening. So are you causing trouble over here? What's going on, bro? Where you at?
I'm in Sparks, Nevada at the 700 Milan Tesla facility. As you can see, the containers here in the back, we unhooked. Some drivers been here already and done pretty much a reset of 34 hours. The problem is that they're not communicating with us, the drivers, and the guy in the facility pretty much, you know, mentioned to us that the broker is charging layover, and we're not gonna get a piece of that unless, you know, we put a claim or a dispute, and it's chunk change when they're charging thousands, you know.
You know, that's crazy, you know. So the company, the shipper, you're at the shipper right now at Tesla right now, and they're telling you that the broker said they would pay a layover because they're paying them thousands, right?
Yep, pretty much.
And what are they promising you? What were they promising you for a layover?
Well, maybe $200, $150.
What up? For 2-3 days sitting or for per day?
Probably per day.
What the hell? Dude, I'm telling you, man, these brokers right now, sometimes, man.
And you know that right now the loads are not even paying that great. So we have family to feed, you know?
That is crazy, man. And so how many of you guys are over there right now?
Over 20 trucks. Over 20. And we just went inside and asked what's going on, and they're telling us to speak with the broker because they're the ones that make the call if we go bobtail, and they're the ones that pretty much are going to tell us, you know, that we're going to get some kind of money back, you know, for these days that we've lost. And we all decided to unhook, and you know, we just started unhooking, and we're here waiting. If not, we're just gonna bobtail back to Los Angeles.
You know, that's smart because you know what? If you unload it, dang well you're not gonna get paid, Outlaw.
Yep. It's time for us to, you know, start getting together because the brokers are really taking advantage of us. And you know, I own my own truck, and my insurance is high, my truck note is high. You know, DOT want us to comply with all kind of, you know, these regulations here in California, and we need to eat, we need to survive. We need to survive, and not only me, but all the brothers right here. Everybody who's right here, you know, they're pretty upset. You know,
I would be too, Outlaw. If you just went to the shipper and the shipper told you that they're paying them thousands for layover, and then they're telling you maybe $150.
$150 if they approve it. Remember, we have to dispute, and we have to wait weeks or months. And what if they tell us, hey, the customer didn't pay? Now we're screwed. I
Oh
could
my
I
God.
could have been home already with my family, relaxing, but we're right here. We're right here right now, as you see.
Oh my God. So all y'all are just unhooked.
Hey, and the funny thing is that okay, so there's more trucks coming. They're sending more trucks here. So this is gonna be a bigger problem.
Are you gonna tell them to unhook too?
Oh, we're telling everybody, hey, you know what? We gotta write it out on hook. Park your truck and go inside.
Hey, you're talking about a lot of money here.
A lot of money. A
And
lot
you
of
know, see, and that's the problem. The broker asked the shipper, Tesla, for the $1,000 layover, but that layover money is supposed to go to you,
of course, right?
not to them, to
Not to them.
you.
Not to them. If they pay us, if they were to pay us that, I'll be sitting in my truck, happy, relaxing, you know.
Of
But
course.
if they're not gonna pay me that, I gotta be on the road, moving another freight.
This is crazy, man. This is crazy, man. You know, Outlaw, no, I appreciate you so much.
Hey, thank
You
you, man.
know, how many more trucks do you think are gonna how many more trucks do you think are gonna come in?
I'll keep sending you more videos, man, if they keep coming. Yeah, this has been going on, man, already this week. Yeah, it started this week. That's what I don't understand. If they're full capacity, why you keep sending more containers here? But I mean, the broker wants to get paid, so they don't care. They're gonna keep sending. I'm going back and forth right now with the broker with emails, and they just keep telling me, John, relax. They're gonna unload you. John, relax. I've been here already 24 hours. I can't relax anymore, man, because I gotta keep those wheels moving.
Well, when they telling you relax, and then you talk to your buddy that's been there for 2 days already.
Yeah, yeah, of course. You got other people here that are pretty much pissed off. They already done a reset and probably are gonna do another one.
Oh my God. You know, right now the broker is just pissed at the shipper that they told him about that layover money.
Oh yeah. Of course, because I told everybody right here because everybody's with the same broker. Send them that email about what the guy said inside. They're being charged thousands, 1,000, I don't know how much, but it's not 100. It's in the thousands. So I was like, text him that, email him that, so they can know that we already know it, and we need to get that money.
Oh man. So for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave that broker name out
Yeah.
until if they pay, then you're happy.
If you're a port driver from Los Angeles and Long Beach, you know who that broker is.
But
Hey,
hey, if they pay, then they're good. But you know what? Why do you have to get caught up to pay? Why can't you just do the right thing the first time?
check this out. Check this out. Another driver's coming. Oh man, how can I do that? Look. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Look, there goes our buddy right there. So there's another driver coming, and pretty much we're telling him to go park and unhook because he's not gonna leave tonight. He's here for an appointment for tomorrow or today. He's not gonna leave tonight. So
Crazy.
that's
That's
the
good.
story right here in Sparks, Nevada.
We're not here to talk crap about anything. We're just here to tell the truth of what's exactly happening right now at the Tesla Sparks factory. So, you know what I mean? So, hey, I appreciate you, brother. And you know what? I will put your links down below, your TikToks, all those things, so that
Okay.
if people have questions, they can message you.
All right, brother. Thank you, man. Stay safe.
Hey, I wish you the best, bro.
Thank
Stay
you, man.
strong.
All right, bro.